Your garage is more than just a parking space. It's a workshop. It's storage. It's security. And sometimes, it's your escape zone. But what if a few affordable gadgets could completely transform it? Welcome back to Newly Gadget, your go-to channel for the smartest and most useful tech upgrades. Today, we're relooking at 6 handy Home Depot gadgets to upgrade your garage. Powerful tools that are affordable, highly rated, and actually worth your money. Let's upgrade your garage. 6 handy Home Depot gadgets to upgrade your garage. Grading your garage doesn't have to cost a fortune. Home Depot offers several affordable and highly rated gadgets that can improve convenience, security, and functionality. One of the best upgrades is the Chamberlain MeQ Smart Garage Control. It turns most garage door openers, made after 1993, into smart systems. You can open and close the door using your phone, receive real-time alerts, and even allow secure package deliveries using Amazon Key. With thousands of positive reviews, it's a budget-friendly smart upgrade. For better visibility, sensor bright motion activated step lights automatically turn on when motion is detected. They are battery-powered, easy to install, and making them ideal for dark garages. The DeWalt 20 volts max cordless portable inflator kit is another top-rated gadget. It includes a battery and charger and can inflate tires, sports equipment, and more. Its high rating reflects its reliability and performance. If your Wi-Fi signal struggles in the garage, the TP-Link Wi-Fi 6 range extender can boost coverage. It's easy to set up and works well with security cameras and smart devices. For entertainment, the Klein Tools JobSite speaker provides durable, water-resistant audio with long battery life. Finally, the Chamberlain MyQ Smart Garage Security Camera offers affordable monitoring through the MyQ app. Together, these gadgets can transform your garage into a smarter, safer, and more functional space without overspending. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Newly Gadget for more smart tech upgrades that actually make life easier. Which garage gadget would you install first? Drop your answer in the comments below. Until next time, stay smart, stay upgraded, and keep innovating with Newly Gadget.